So, does anyone else think it's really weird that it took us so long to get a fusion between Elemental Hero Neos and Flame Wingman? Because as far as I can tell, the only one that currently exists is Elemental Hero Shining Neos Wingman, which, based on the website I'm using, was released in 2022. Almost 20 years after GX first aired. And it's wild to me that this didn't happen in GX itself, because Jaden is really, I think, the only protagonist to fully swap ace monsters and continue using both of them. Because obviously, in Season 1, his ace monster was really Flame Wingman. It's even stated to be his favorite card in Universe. Then, in Season 2, he gets Neos, and that becomes his ace. Makes a lot of sense. But he keeps using Flame Wingman. He still uses it quite a bit throughout the season, or throughout the series. And Jaden is the fusion summoning protagonist. That is GX as a season. It is the fusion summoning season. Try saying that 10 times fast. So, you have a protagonist whose whole deck is based on fusion summoning. And he technically has 2 ace monsters that he rotates between. And you don't do what would have been probably the most iconic moment in all of GX and fuse them together. I get why they didn't do that, like, in Season 2. In Season 2, Neos really only fused with the Neospacians. But after Season 2, you get a lot more of Neos fusing with just other monsters. You get Neos Knight in the movie, you get Rainbow Neos towards the end of Season 3, Neos Wiseman towards the end of Season 4. And I'm sure there's there's probably a few others that I'm not aware of right now, or I'm not thinking of right now. But how do you not have the super iconic anime moment where Jaden takes his favorite card and his ace monster spirit partner and fuse them together? That would have been so cool, but instead, we have to wait almost 20 years to actually get that monster, when it really should have happened in GX itself. And in fact, Shining Neos Wingman feels like an upgrade to an existing fusion between the two of them, because it's based on Shining Flare Wingman, not Flame Wingman itself. Its design is based off Flame Wingman's upgraded form. So it feels like an upgraded form, a retrain of a fusion between those two that probably would have ended up being a little bit clunky due to the day and age. Why didn't we get a Neos Wingman in GX? It would have been so cool. But yeah, let me know what you guys think.